Our phones are awesome, but they keep our hands busy and our heads down. Meet Norm Glasses.
A new way to experience technology and the world around you in one breathtaking moment. The microcomputer is embedded inside the frame, complete with CPU, storage, battery, microphone, speakers, camera, and a display system that projects your desired information into your field of view. Norm Glasses takes nearly all the functionality of your phone, refines it, and puts it right in front of you. Hello? Answer phone calls.
Hey, Aaron!
Take photos and videos. Navigate in a new place. Stereo open-ear speakers on the frame arms allow you to listen to messages, podcasts, and music without blocking surrounding sound. Anywhere you go, head up and hands-free. View videos or instructions. Translate languages. Set or see reminders. Technology matters. Life matters. And when they come together in a way that brings out the best in both of them, it just makes sense. Enjoy life in style. Head up and hands-free.
Introducing the Caro Fan, the only smart fan fit for your everyday convenience. In today's evolution of technology, we want everything to be easy and convenient. From keyless entry to digital recipes, shouldn't we also find easier ways to cool ourselves down on those hot summer days?
Hey Google, turn on the Caro kitchen fan.
Smart fan is perfect for those hot evenings. Keeping your loved one cool throughout the night without the loud noise from a traditional ceiling fan. Using the Caro Wi-Fi app, you can easily control different functions, such as the customizable LED light that can change from the Caro fan can be controlled using Alexa, Google Home, the Caro Wi-Fi app, and a convenient, easy-to-use remote that can be placed anywhere.
So much better. Alexa, turn on the Caro fan.
With up to 70% less electricity used, the Caro Smart Fan is much more energy efficient compared to a traditional ceiling fan. With a 10-speed reversible quiet motor and a mute mode, the Caro to a cool light with dimming capabilities. The fan blades are made of aluminum metal, which are more durable than traditional wood and can easily be changed to fit any occasion, all while staying quiet and cool.
Alexa, turn the Caro fan to the lowest speed.
The Caro Smart Ceiling Fan is a perfect fit for any home and any occasion. Get yourself a Caro fan today and find out how a smart life stays in motion.
What you need is a proactive bike guard. Z-Lock. Z-Lock is the first foldable bike lock with fingerprint unlock as well as a smartphone keyless entry for your bike. UR lengths enables a wider protective range. Even cargo e-bike or fat-tired bike can be locked easily. The compact design makes Z-Lock easily folded and carried in the portable lock case or your bag. To the next tree. Z-Lock is made of 6.5mm temper-hardened steel bars, 7mm diameter rivets, and anti-drilling components, providing the security of an U-lock with the flexibility of a chain. The 98cm unfolded with a sensitive motion sensor. It can detect any unauthorized actions and alert you right away. You can always keep an eye on your bike just like you are next to it. The rubber surface coating also protects your bike's paint job. It uses an always-on Bluetooth connection with your phone, so your bike can be locked and unlocked with only the tap of a button. You can share a temporary code with someone, allowing your friend or family to use your bike or locked by their smartphone. Z-Lock is embedded with an efficient lithium battery and low power consumption components, supporting long-lasting protection up to 3 months. When the battery runs out, you can still unlock it with a spare key.
PopuLife Keybox. It's a smart lock box, the best smart lock box for everyone. With the PopuLife mobile app, you can control your keybox from anywhere. Even with your voice. It's a safe storage box for sharing. It's perfect for Airbnb houses, and you don't have to keep your keys under the mat anymore. Alexa, grant access to Natalia. The interior is spacious enough so you can fit 6 physical keys or 7 key cards. This means house key, car key, and more. If PopuLife is unlocked but remains unopened for 60 seconds, it will automatically relock. PopuLife will beep to indicate if it's not closed properly. If an invalid PIN code is entered 5 times, PopuLife will go into security lockout mode and stop operating for 5 minutes. It's also super durable and super safe. With the PopuLife mobile app, you don't even have to drive down here. That means no key handovers, fuss-free property management, and no late-night drives. The time period for the PIN codes and Bluetooth keys can be customized, so you can choose days, hours, weeks, or permanent access, perfect for those Airbnbs or just to let someone into your property. Also, you can access the usage logs, so you can track who comes and goes. PopuLife comes with improved resistance to the elements. It's dust, light rain, and IP65 certified. The Keybox applies BLE technology that's less power consuming. With 4 AAA alkaline batteries, PopuLife can perform up to 10,000 lock, open, and close operations. If the batteries are drained, an external 9-volt battery can be used for emergency power. The Keybox comes with 2 shackle sizes so it fits most doorknobs. Shackle it onto fences, or mount it on walls with screws.